Alright, so we're gonna paint our Sprocket today. We got our 54 tooth Sprocket from Go Power Sports. We got some spray paint. We got some sandpaper. There she is. I kinda just was looking at it like maybe I shouldn't paint it. I don't know, kinda looks good. But we're gonna paint it. So we're gonna take our sandpaper, we're gonna sand it down, and then we'll hit it with the spray paint. Alright, so scratched it up a bit. Didn't go too crazy, don't need to go too crazy. Let's get this paint started. Alright, so we got the glossy black. So let's see. Let's make sure. Still even. That's it. Do it a couple more times and then let's let it dry. Alright, time for another coat. It's only been like 10 minutes, but you know, whatever. It's just a Sprocket. And in the grass, all these damn bugs were jumping on, so just moved over a little bit. So let's get it. Alright, so looking good. It's been about 20 minutes since the last coat. I'm gonna hit it one more time and then I'm gonna just put it in the garage and let it dry out so these little damn grass bugs stop jumping on here. So yeah. Alright, so this is the next day. It's looking good. Really good. It's dry. Yeah, looks nice. So now we could install. Steel.